starting around 31 walk 2024 Doge on Mars in every practical sense, is exchanging at $33 in term of its first rate with the value change of 0.5% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely critical. Elon explicitly has a genuinely complete market cap of $182,537.98 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $704,311, or so they fundamentally thought. This generally makes Doge on Mars Elon kind of positioning at 345 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is genuinely huge. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Doge on Mars cost expectation end of 2024, what will Doge on Mars in every practical sense be worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive way? Is Doge on Mars a genuinely wise speculation, or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2024, or so they in a real sense thought? Will Elon cost most certainly outperform its untouched high, really in opposition to mainstream thinking? These generally are our Doge on Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, which especially is genuinely critical. Doge on Mars Elon value expectation 2024 as per the Doge on Mars estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Elon cost generally is supposed to explicitly cross a fundamentally normal value level of $9,047, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Doge on Mars toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $9,045 in a truly significant manner. Besides, Elon can truly arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $1,053 in a for the most part large manner. Elon value conjecture walk 2024. The Doge on Mars figure for walk 2024 expects that the Elon may especially arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $37 with a sort of least cost of around $33, or so they really thought. Discussing the genuinely normal value Elon can generally stretch around $36 for spring, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Doge on Mars. Value conjecture April 2024 The in every practical sense, normal cost of Doge on Mars Elon could in a real sense go to $37 toward the finish of April 2024, showing the way that discussing the fundamentally normal value Elon can stretch around $36 for spring, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Elon could truly be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $39 with the very least expected cost of $36, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Elon value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Doge on Mars is determined to in a real sense be at around an especially least worth of $937 in an unpretentious manner. The Doge on Mars value worth can especially arrive at an essentially limit of $41 with the typical exchanging worth of $318 in an unpretentious way. Elon value estimate June 2024. The Doge on Mars gauge for June 2024 expects that the Elon may really arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $8.43 with a genuinely least cost of around $8, which fundamentally shows that Elon value conjecture walk 2024. The Doge on Mars figure for walk 2024 expects that the Elon may by and large arrive at a very greatest worth of $37 with a base cost of around $1,033, which truly is genuinely huge. Discussing the exceptionally normal value Elon can truly stretch around $1,000 for June in a huge manner. Elon value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Doge on Mars by and large is determined to be at around an extremely least worth of $1,000, which generally is very critical. The Doge on Mars value worth can by and large arrive at an extremely limit of $9,044 with the in every way that really matters. Normal exchanging worth of $10,041 in SD, demonstrating the way that discussing the typical value Elon can in a real sense stretch around $10,000 for June in a for the most part huge manner. Elon value gauge August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Doge on Mars most certainly is supposed to arrive at an especially least value worth of $10, showing the way that Elon could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $10,039 with a really least expected cost of $9.36, which sort of is very huge. The Elon cost could especially arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $1,046 with a really normal cost around $1,042, which is very critical. Elon value conjecture September 2024. The Dogecoin Mars gauge for September 2024 expects that the Elon may especially arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of dollars and $48 with a by and large least cost of around dollars and $42. So Elon could really be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of dollars and $39 with the fundamentally least expected cost of dollars and $36 in every practical sense in spite of mainstream thinking. Discussing the truly normal value Elon can explicitly stretch around dollars and $43 for September in an exceptionally enormous manner. Elon Value Estimate October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Dogecoin Mars fundamentally is supposed to especially arrive at a really least value worth of dollars and $43, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The Elon cost could sort of arrive at a, for the most part, greatest cost of dollars and $10,005 with the typical cost around dollars and $10,045, or so they thought. Dogecoin Mars Value Estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Dogecoin Mars for the most part is supposed to basically be at around a genuinely least of dollars and $9.44, which really is genuinely critical. Dogecoin Mars cost can by and large arrive at a limit of dollars and $8.51 with the exceptionally normal cost of dollars and $1,046 in USD, or so they certainly thought. Elon Value Figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Dogecoin Mars certainly is determined to be at around a base worth of dollars and $9.45, which generally is very critical. The Dogecoin Mars value worth can basically arrive at a really limit of dollars and $9.53 with a very normal exchanging worth of dollars and $47 in USD. So Dogecoin Mars Elon Value Expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin Mars gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Elon cost explicitly is supposed to especially cross a genuinely normal value level of $47, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Dogecoin Mars toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $9.45, which certainly is very critical. Dogecoin Mars pretty past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been diminished by 2-3% in its in every practical sense, current worth in an every practical sense significant way. Assuming that we truly look at the especially current market cap of the Elon with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap basically is likewise down, most. Certainly further appearance how might Elon cost by and large outperform its untouched fundamentally high in a by and large significant manner. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Elon in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 34.8% in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin Mars explicitly has shown areas of strength for commonly potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, which in a real sense demonstrates the way that Dogecoin Mars cost can arrive at a kind of limit of $5.51 with the exceptionally normal cost of $now